Fun in the sun, and welcome to my paradise. Bienvenido a mi paraíso. More sun, more fun. A great day in paradise. Special moments, muy especial, espectacular momentos. Real paradise. Enjoying the moment. Life in sweet paradise. Tell me how you love it. The sun is shining. It's getting warm and nice. More sun, more fun. Ah, wonderful feeling. Enjoyable moments. Moments that words cannot express. Life in nature. It's a lover's dream. It's a lover's paradise. The water is nice. The atmosphere is great. Your life. Life in paradise. La vida en paraíso. Fun in the sun. This is how I am expressing the moment. Fun in the sun. This is how I am expressing, enjoying, living life in the moment. Wow. Fun in the sun, fun in the sun. Fun in the sun. Spectacular moment. This is not a vacation. No vacaciones. All right. Okay. All right, I'll join them. You want me to go higher up? But this is not a vacation. This is a staycation. It seems like I want to stay right here. So many pools to enjoy. So many places. Okay. No hay problema. You want me to come? You want me to come for more fun? Aye. You want me to come for more fun? That means higher up is better than here. Higher up seems to be better than here. All right. It doesn't seem like I'm going higher up. I'm not sure yet. Because this place here is awesome. Magnificent. This is awesome. Magnificent. Words cannot express. You want me to go higher up. But for now, I have not enjoyed here yet. I need to enjoy here for at least a good 6 hours. Put up camp and have real fun. Real fun in the sun. Real fun in the sun is what I'm doing here, what I'm enjoying. Real fun in the sun. Real fun. Fun and adventure. I'm not sure if I'm going further. To be honest, I am not sure if I'm going further. Yeah, I don't think I'm going further. Upside might not be better than here. Up there nice. Yeah. Well, I'm not. I will enjoy it. Next time I will go up there. That's all right. The real fun is right here. Real fun in the sun. It's right here. I don't think I'll be going any further. I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Plenty opportunities. Lots and lots of opportunities to have fun in the sun. Plenty places to go to see and enjoy. Right here, super spectacular. Ah, thank you guys for watching. I'm having fun. One in the sun. Make your lover's dream pure life.